Y'all tell me, what the hell does this look like?
Alright, yo, welcome to vlog number 6. Vlog number 6. So today I'm off from work and I got some stuff to do. So we are going to go to Barclays Park. The scenery there is awesome, so join me on this adventure. Oh yeah, you guys see it? You see it? Yeah, remember when I did that? If you have not seen how I made this painting, go and watch vlog number 5. Ready? You ready? Why are you cutting into my vlog? I'm just okay, cool. Alright, so we are on our way. We're going to Barclays Park. And we go check out the scenery down there. It's pretty beautiful. I've been here once, so it's the first time I'm actually going there and vlogging. First time I'm actually going there. This is the first time I'm going there and I'm vlogging it. And it's gonna be good. So we're almost at the spot where I won't be, but another cool thing about this landscape here is that right there is called the sleeping giant. You can see the head and then the eyes and then the nose and then the mouth. Yeah. So this is Barclays Park, everybody. Well, the beach at Barclays Park. The park is up there. So this is what we came on the beach and we saw. People made Drew. And they put a Christmas tree. Seriously, who puts a Christmas tree? Let's see what else they put down here. Alright, that looks nice. Alright, so I'm gonna write something. Pizza has arrived.
Salad.
I'll have a salad.
Okay, bread.
So I'm gonna smash this. I'll see y'all later. Y'all tell me, what the hell does this look like? What does this look like? Comment below and tell me, because they said this is art. This is... But what the hell does that look like? I know what that looks like. Ooh. We have another movie theater for ourselves. Another one. Another one for ourselves. 2 days in a row. Look at that. Nobody. It's just us. And this big ass screen. Alright guys, pretty greasy, but I'm ending the vlog here. Just always remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for tuning in. And I'll see you guys again when I do something spontaneous. So something spontaneous and fun and cool. Alright, again, thank you very much for your support. And again, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, share it, tell your friends. And I'll see you guys again the next time. Deuces.